Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is advertisement policy on cryptocurrency product and services. So let's get started. If you plan to run ads that promote the trading of cryptocurrencies or related product ad services, you will need to meet Facebook eligibility requirements. These requirements help Facebook identify advertisers who are legitimate and used to safe cryptocurrency advertisement practices. Confirm your eligibility to run cryptocurrency ads. To confirm your eligibility to advertise cryptocurrency products and services. So, number 1 is click to see whether you meet the eligibility requirement lists. These include license from countries with developed cryptocurrency, regulatory frameworks. And number 2 is if you believe that you meet the requirements, submit form to apply. Facebook then review your application as is your eligibility. Note, all applications are eligible to advertise cryptocurrency products and services. To determine eligibility, Facebook assesses information from the application and a variety of sources. Hope that you all will clearly understand about advertisement policy on cryptocurrency products and services. So like, comment and subscribe and keep supporting us. Thank you.